We are working on the IXL task RPF, create bar graphs. And what I see in front of us is I see a chart here with some information and some numbers, and then I see a bar graph with some missing pieces to it. So what we're going to do is we're going to read the information, and then we're going to fill in the bar graph. So let's read it together. A geography class recorded the number of people per television in various countries. So we need to use the data on the table to complete the bar graph below. And I'm reading my data, my chart here, and it's talking about the people per television. It gives us the countries and the number of people per television. And then I see that my graph matches the chart up here. The title of the graph says people per television. On the left-hand side, I've got the countries that are in the chart, and then each country has an amount that is filled out on this bar graph. I see that South Korea, Venezuela, Mexico, and Turkey have been filled out. But I see that Romania is missing. So I'm going to assume that that is where I need to use the chart to fill in the information. So I'm going to go up here to this chart, and I look at the country of Romania. What do you see? How many number of people per television? 6. 6 people. So I'm going to go to my bar, and I'm going to find, or I'm going to fill in to the number of 6. Just click it, just like that. And then I submit my answer. Very good. Okay. On this problem, we have a graph, but we don't have a chart. Instead, we need to read the information to find the chart, or to answer the questions in the graph. So I'm going to read it out. It says the average rainfall is 60 millimeters in May, 50 millimeters in June, 20 millimeters in July, 30 millimeters in August, 50 millimeters in September, and 100 millimeters in October. So I'm going to go down to my chart, and I see that the chart has May, June, July, August, and October filled out. What month is missing? September. So I'm going to go back up to my information. Now, this paragraph here is a good example of why we need charts in the world. It would be so much easier to look at a chart and look for a September and a number next to it, correct? But IXL is being tricky and they're making us read things. So, how much in September? I want you to find it. How much rain fell? How many millimeters fell in September? If you're telling me 50 millimeters fell, you are correct. 50 millimeters. So I'm going to go down here and we're going to fill in 50 millimeters. All right, let's do one more example together. We've got another chart and we've got another graph. I notice that in this graph, there are 2 pieces of information missing. So I'm going to have to look for 2 things. Let's look at the chart first, though. That's where we find our information. It says Adam graphed the temperature at noon for 4 days. And the temperature is in Celsius. Now, if you have not done our unit of measurement yet, Celsius is how people in Europe track of the temperature. We use Fahrenheit. So when they're saying 15 degrees, that's not our temperature gauge, just so you know, just for your information. But he's saying, Adam said that on Monday, it was 15 degrees, Tuesday 15 degrees, Wednesday it was 10 degrees, and Thursday it was 15 degrees. So we need to fill in that information on our chart here. Monday, find Monday, and how many degrees was it on Monday? 15, so we fill in 15. Then Thursday, the missing information. How many degrees was it on Thursday? 15, fill it in. All right, my friends, that is how you are going to do this IXL task RPF. Good luck, and thank you for working with me.